Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the different activities what we are going to do for the physical development of the child. This series is basically we have divided it as activities for the 0 to 1 year old, 1 to 2 year old, 2 to 3 years old and 3 years and above. So when we are talking about physical development, we are talking about the gross motor development and fine motor development. Gross motor development is basically for larger muscles and fine motor development is for the finer muscles. For the 3 years and above children, already the child would have picked up walking, running, jumping, kicking, throwing the ball, catching the ball. So the child's larger muscles have developed in a much better way when compared to 2 to 3 year old children. Along with this, the cycling activity, lot of play time being given to the child as we have discussed for 0 to 1 year. Floor time, it is in a similar way how much time the child gets in exploring through play, through which the child's muscles get developed. Along with the play, the creative activities like drawing, coloring, tearing the paper, cutting with the scissor, pasting it, playing with the clay dough, making different models out of the clay dough, and playing with the puzzles wherein the child has to arrange the puzzle. It can be started with the puzzle which has a lid on top, or else the puzzle pieces which can be assembled together. Playing with the building blocks, musical toys also helps the child, drums. So these activities we have told for 1 to 2, 2 to 3 year old children also. How it helps for the 3 to 4 year is the handling of the things are much better in 3 years and above, 4 year above children. The activities would remain the same, but their creativity and using it is much better. And this gives basically stimulation for the muscles to develop. Along with this, in the kitchen there is good lot of activities which can be given. As I've already mentioned, for other age group, it is rolling chapati, making a dough. Probably if the child can peel, cut, the knife which is not so very sharp but blunt, which can be which can be used for the cutting of the vegetable, which can be given. And again, a lot of sorting activities, sorting the vegetables separately, the fruits and vegetables mixed together, separating the things, or segregation of after the clothes has been dried, which belongs to which belongs, like fathers, mothers separate, the child separate, folding activities, playing with the water, again transferring activities from one tumbler to the other tumbler, the grains from one tumbler to the other tumbler, water from one tumbler to the other tumbler. It can be done using the sponge. Again, it can be done using the spoon. It can be done through one tumbler to the other tumbler. So along with this, peeling of vegetables, the leafy vegetables, so these activities. Along with this, the creative activity, as I was mentioning about tearing, cutting, pasting. Along with this, drawing, coloring, different types of coloring and painting activities are there. So this can be given to the child to enhance the fine muscles. Playtime, using the ball, bat, all other things, running, jumping and all for the larger muscles, and these are all the fine wherein hand and fingers are used for the fine muscle development of the child. I hope you will enjoy doing all these activities with your child. Whenever you're doing these activities, encourage the child. You also enjoy the process rather than the result. Along with this, the child might want to help the household chores, probably sweeping, mopping, for probably serving the guest, keeping the meals plates ready, taking back to the sink. So these are all the many activities which you can allow for 3 years and above children to do it. So give them the time to do all these activities leisurely, so have that buffer time, and probably will have a little bit more of cleaning work to do once the child has finished. But as the age progresses, 4 years, 5 years and above, so the child learns to make it much more, because the muscles have developed and the child will be able to do it in a much better fashion than the previous age group children. So these activities you can do for the physical development of your children.